Characteristics of wave. We are having different properties or different characteristics which we are going to discuss now related to wave. So when we talk about the first property or first characteristics, that we say it as wavelength. What is wavelength? Wavelength is nothing but the distance between your two successive crests or trough of a wave, and basically it is being measured in the direction of the wave. And when we say what is crest or trough, crest is the highest point of your wave and trough is nothing but the lowest point of the wave. So wavelength is distance. When we talk about wavelength, we consider that as a distance. Hence, we could measure that in terms of meters, centimeters, millimeters, or your nanometers, and many more. So wherever or whatever units we are going to use in order to measure distance, we could consider the same unit for the wavelength. So when we try to find the wavelength of the wave, we can use a simple formula, that is speed of the wave divided by the frequency. So now the concept comes, what is frequency? Frequency is nothing but the number of occurrences of your repeating event per unit of time. Number of occurrences of a repeating event per unit of time. And for an oscillating or your varying current, frequency is considered to be the number of complete cycles per second in alternating current direction. Complete cycles per second in alternating current direction. So when we try to relate the frequency and the time period, because we are saying it is a repeating event per unit of time. So when we try to relate your frequency with the time, we say that your f is equal to 1 by t. And the third characteristics of your wave is velocity. Velocity of a wave is nothing but the linear distance which is being traveled by a wave in 1 second. It is the linear distance traveled by the wave in 1 second, and basically it is represented by the symbol c, or you can say it as a v, and it is being expressed in centimeter per second or meter per second. So when we try to relate the formula, or when we try to relate the relation between your velocity, distance and time, we say that velocity is equal to s by t. S is nothing but the displacement and t is your time taken. And next important property is your amplitude. Amplitude of a wave is the height of your crest or your trough, or depth of the trough. So we could say height of your crest or the trough, and it is being expressed in the units of your wavelength. It does not have any additional or any extra units. That is, basic unit of your length is being used in order to measure your amplitude. And when we talk about your wave number is the number of waves present in 1 meter length. If I specify 1 meter length, the total number of waves being present in that particular distance or that particular measurement, we call that as wave number. So we could say that, we could inherit that it is equal to the reciprocal of your wave length. So we could say that the wave number is the number of waves per unit distance. It is the number of waves per unit distance. So when we relate we know that C is equal to your frequency in hertz into your lambda, or we could say C is equal to mu lambda. So C is nothing but the speed of light, mu is your frequency, and lambda is your wavelength in centimeter. So we can say that wave number is nothing but the reciprocal of your wavelength. Wave number is the reciprocal of your wavelength. So these are all the characteristics of your wave, like we say amplitude, wave number, velocity, your wavelength, frequency. All these things are considered to be the characteristics of a wave.